thought this was my car. I was say, damn, he done stole my car. I thought that was mine. He got an RT, I think, though.
It's an RT?
Shit loud. Yeah, it's an RT for sure. I can tell by the way it rattles afterwards. That shit's sweet. Ain't no telling what he about to do. Trip, the lights. I'm thinking he about to do some type of burn or something. The way he was sitting there. Yeah, shit, alright. Oh, that's blue.
That's what I'm saying.
Right, okay. Got the Audi.
This shit on the left side.
This nigga got nuts on this shit.
They probably did something that, I don't know, they probably, is it illegal?
What?
To have your steering wheel on the other side?
Honestly, I don't think so. I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Well, you think they get their car made somewhere else?
Yeah, probably. Like, they get their car out of the country. You know, overseas, they do this shit.
Yeah.
Well, that charger everywhere. That nigga just not trying to park you. About to get kicked off for ribbon. Nah, not tonight, I don't think. They got the side shows if y'all want to go to that. No, it's not tonight. Looking stupid. Man, they scared. We probably got to go to Yellow Billy Sunday then. Y'all trying to do that?
I'll be getting that.
It's a drag strip though.
It's funny because they just bounce up their car.
Yeah. That shit, that's a hard ass purple. God damn, dog. Down there might sit in the car for a minute. It's cold as shit. See, that's why niggas be fighting that car pieces. Damn, he could do that with the key. Unless they stop like that. I like how they doing it. mean ass mullet. No bullshit.
I gotta keep cooking.
Damn, I know that wasn't the police.
That's when they siren.
Oh,
Yeah, that's when they.
bro, they play too much for that one. Oh, I was about to say, damn. Man. Yeah, I got the 300. Oh yeah, I beat that.
See, that's the first one.
Damn, nigga ain't even got no damn diffuser on this shit. Yeah, he be racing for sure. That nigga race. I know it. Just by the way his whole back to the nigga big as hell. That's what you call some Texas shit. Nah, for real. Nah, man. They got a whole train horn, low key. Back. You good? Man, can't tell shit. I'm about to let my car warm. Those niggas cold as hell. Hopefully it could reach. way up there. They gonna post it on Instagram. They take the picture. I don't want to get in it. I like this though. Get to change the color headlights in the front. For real. Try to record the rest of the meet while I'm leaving out. Police located. A lot of people left and the police kind of shut them down. Or shut it down. Roll down the window so the tent don't get in the way. This right here. Truck. I like this truck with the rim. Got the ooh, damn, look at the back of that Mustang. That's really the meat, y'all. That's about it. For real. I don't want to do nothing stupid. The police right here. I ain't gonna do nothing stupid. Cause they waiting on somebody to do something stupid. They ain't about to get me tonight. They're not about to get me tonight. I might do a pull right here where they may not care. Oh, god damn. Look at the temperature. I don't know if y'all can see it. 37, man. I'm over here giving y'all cold. Ooh, they was posted up at the gas station. I'm about to loop back around for real. Man, I'm over here giving y'all cold vlogs. My fingertips freezing. Like, I'm outside. What's up, YouTube, man? It's the Starter Motors, man. I'm back with another banger, man. So this video a little different from what y'all usually see. I'm about to flip the camera. Boy, hey. Yeah, they got some snow. For y'all who don't believe it don't snow in North Texas, trust me, it does. Almost every year. So what I think I'm gonna start off with, low key, I'm about to give y'all a cold start. I ain't start this car in like 2 days. Yeah, I ain't started my car in like 2 days. It's been about 2 days since I started my car. So I'm about to see how I sound. What if it don't start? But we gonna see. Let me see. Woo! You see how it stalled for a minute. Ah, man. door might not even open, how cold it is. Well, tires all cold. Ah, my God. Disrespectful, ain't it? Where you park it?
Right there, boy.
Oh, you good.
Well, I thought I parked on the other side. I took around and said, hey, there go my baby.
Right.
There. I said, boy, why I do that?
Man.
You started?
Yeah. All right, bro. Yeah, so that door open. It ain't froze. Hop inside. Ah, my God. Woo. 27 degrees. God damn. I know that ain't gonna work. Yeah, that didn't work. Oh my God, it is freezing. Look. Man. Oh my God, look, it's snowing even harder. I don't even know if this is real snow for real. I think it's just ice, low-key. Look what the baby froze, man. This is my first time seeing her in some snow. She looks so cute. That's some snow. Man, I'm about to take some pictures. She looks so cute in some snow. Man, it's freezing. Yeah, I'm about to low-key, post on my story. Hold on. It's another thing I found funny. I'm all over the place for real. So look, the windows froze, but at least I get to roll it down. Oh! Why would I do that? They done got all in the car. That's what I get. Should've left it alone. Everything is froze, man. Texas is frozen over right now. Man, I'm just in the car low-key trying to let the car warm up. I want to low-key drive in it, but I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to take that risk because it's like, it's just pure ice. Like all this snow y'all seeing is really just ice. It's not snow at all. It's pretty much just straight ice. And honestly, it could be good content. I just don't want to take that risk. But it's not like I don't hit y'all with bangers, you know, so I ain't really worried about it. If my brother's still outside, I'm about to get him to rev it. See if I can rev it, see if y'all can see it through the... It sounds way louder.
No, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?